Hey, I'm Huang, and this is my level NJS. This is a 53.5 centimeter frame, center to top. Sparkly paint job. It kind of gets more sparkly by the head tube. And then we got a Dura-Ace HP, what is it? 7410 headset, NJS stamp. Where is it?
Where's the NJS?
Where's the NJS stamp?
Right here.
Right there, NJS stamp, yeah. We got the Jaguar 120 millimeter stem.
Certified.
NJS stamp too, obviously. Got the Nitto B260. Very nice, very comfortable, very narrow. And you got champ grips with the sparkles to match the paint job of the frame. And then moving down to here, we got obviously the Sugino 75s. Super nice cranks. You got the dust cap.
I got the same chainring too, beautiful.
Yeah. The superb 52 tooth chainring.
Super.
We got MKS Sylvan necks. These are super smooth.
With the green goblin
with
color.
The green green Welgo toe clips, because why not?
Single strap.
Single
even though you
strap.
can run double.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
NJS, whatever that is. Got the Zoomy chain.
The clean chain.
Clean chain. We got the Euro Asia Superstar cog, shiny as hell. On the Raquetas, 32 holes. That's a 17 tooth cog. And
Wait, hit him with the, what's the, you didn't describe this?
oh yeah, this. Okay, we got
Talk about that.
a Selle flight saddle that has been stripped down, and it's hard as hell and slippery, but it's sick. Cause it's the streets. We're in the streets. We ride in the streets.
Yeah. How much, do you know how much your bike weighs?
No, I have no fucking clue. No clue, but it's sick. So that's all that matters.
Hell yeah.
And we got TB14 hubs. Or not hubs, rims. Sorry. We got TB14 rims. And Jaguar seat post.
So sick.
That's the bike.
So sick. Okay.
Thought this was the best chance.
Yeah, move it around a bit. Let's see it shine. See it sparkle. Oh my god, yeah. That's so sick. Hey, you have anything else to say?
YVRFIXED, follow him.
Come over, you have to come over to this side.
Yeah. 10 centimeters.
Kieran Racer number 7.
Let me see.
It becomes arrowhead.
All right,
Yeah.
let's go. What bike do we have
Yeah,
here?
Kieran Interpro, Korean, not NJS, but almost NJS. Sugino 75 cranks, Sugino 51 chainring.
Look at that color.
Mavic Open Pro rims with the Ultra Sports. Used to be white sidewalls, now they're tan from age. 16 tooth cog on the back.
Wait, read this.
Nagasawa
drop.
Nagasawa dropouts, Nagasawa bottom bracket, arrow cone for that extra arrow drafting.
It's called the Arrow cone.
The arrow fin.
And then
Designed after the Vigarelli shark.
all right, explain explain the cockpit.
Cockpit? I actually have no idea. Nitto stem, 110. Nitto bars, pista drops, track grips, hard plastic, spiky. AliExpress bell, $5. What is this? Fabric scoop saddle? Is it the scoop? I don't know. I have no idea what the seat post is too, but it's arrow-ish.
And then show the
NJF
special.
top tube protector.
And what's it covering?
YVRFIXED.
What's it covering there?
My blood. Real Fraser blood stains.
We get right in there.
And then finally, Lucky Cat spoke beads or valve caps.
I thought about putting crab bars on.
So nice. Very nice bike.
Thank you. All right, let's ride.
Hey guys. Hey guys, my name is Ty, and this is my bike.
Okay, for real. You have to talk. Okay. Well, what do we have here?
Hi. This is my bike.
What is it?
Kino.
It's the F stand for.
Midnight Club Edition. Midnight Club Fucks.
Very nice. Okay, run through what we have.
Technomic stem. Still getting used to the track drops.
What kind of track drops?
NJS approved. A bit too wide though. And really heavy.
Steel.
Steel.
All right. What's going on here?
Turbo saddle. It's my first time using it.
You added more stickers?
Yeah. Some stickers. Best bike shop.
All right. What's down here?
Red Saginos. Alaska. 47, 16 gearing. And running straps. Because I like to be comfy. Trying to balance practicality and impracticality.
Hit this. What's this?
The shiny new Suzu hubs from Huang. I think they're NJS approved.
I don't know. We gotta look for a step.
Half NJS bike. I have got some risers.
Nice. Very nice.
Foundation.
Very nice bike.
Hello, my name is Paul, and this is my bike.
All right, talk about the bike.
So I got this bike about a year ago and traded flat a beer for it, and I've been enjoying it since. It's the funnest bike I own.
All right, what do we have in the setup here?
So the setup, we have the bull horns with the Chinelli stem, and we have the clown horn.
All right. And then what's going on over here?
So we have the seat post. So
Just regular?
yeah, just the regular seat post. If I go up hills and pedal too hard, I accidentally do wheelies. So I try to lean forward as much as possible.
All right. What's your drivetrain looking like?
So my drivetrain is 2 chains. It has 2 jockey wheels. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gears, but only 6 of them work.
Beauty. Beauty. All right. Keep it going. Yes. What's your what else we got going on?
We have a Care Bear here, and then we have the Midnight Club sticker, along with a Kook sticker. This is a representation of my style that I like to ride my bike. A little bit more like, yeah, I like it. He's a Kook. Yeah, I am a Kook.
Yeah, a lot of years I just went to.
And we have the YVRFIXED 3D printed by NJF import.
NJF export?
Yeah.
Crazy bike. Wild.
I'm like, fuck, let's
I said it was really good.
Yeah, it was fun.
talk about that. Yeah. Honestly, it looks like.
No, I was watching. I was like, it looks like you.
And that's my
Killer.
bike. That's my
Thank
bike.
you.
Hell yeah.
Thank you. Woo! Kieran Rider number 3.
Bet on number 3.
What's going on?
We're at 200 Crescent at Shaughnessy Park. We're doing 200 laps, which is nearly 100K. Yeah, like people are riding, and then we have number 2, number 3, number 5, 7 today. Yeah, lots of NJS bikes.
Yes, sir. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Talk about the bike. What do we have?
Yeah, this is my Bridgestone.
Shine it around a bit to show people the sparkles, because this is crazy. I don't even know if I can see it.
Yeah, this is my Bridgestone. I picked it up from Japan in Tokyo. My friend Uruma helped me picking it up. And I rode it in Japan and brought it to Canada here.
Very nice.
Shimano Pro Stealth saddle. I got this Skino Mighty Competition crankset and Shimano chainring. No, actually Skino chainring. I'm not sure. MKS pedal, Soma strap, Soma cage, and we got NATO hand track bar and NATO Tech. What is it? Technomic stamp right here. Alright, wheels. These are nothing special. I got the hub set from AliExpress, and then this is some random Wayman. Oh shit! Sorry, Wayman rims. This was like my first wheel building project. Yeah.
What do we have here? What's this? What cog?
It's the, I believe it's either All City or Soma cog.
You wrote on it.
Yes.
What's it say? Windbreaker?
It says Wind Rises.
Wind rises. Very nice. Beauteous. Beautiful. Beautiful Bridgestone. Thank you.
We're live.
Okay, beautiful. Yeah. So this is my Bridgestone 54.5. 55? Don't know. Anyways, pink to white fade. There's get closer for the bike. Get closer for the bike. Focus on the bike. Okay. So, you know, very mint bike, not much like dents or cracks or anything going on, but no stains either. That's not even there either. But yeah, so we have the quill to threadless. It's NJS Niro to the drop bars. Just for fun. We have the H Plus Sun, some box rims onto formulas. Yeah, classy, just black and white. Running double 23 Ultra Sports. We have to. Yeah. Super clean drivetrain. This should be 4916. That's a Velostar work order number. We have mint Sugino 75s with some look Kios. Dura Ace chainring. Everything on this bike is mint. We have brand new seat post, brand new seat. Everything on this thing is new. Yeah, and like it looks super clean on both sides, especially. It looks really clean all the time.
Nice.
Looks like bullet holes and all this stuff, but you should look at like this and stuff, and then more, you know, even better to show right here as well.
Oh, the logo.
Yeah.
You know it's NJS approved.
Overall,
I did 20 yesterday. I did 20. Yeah,
chill bike.
You're good.
It's very nice.
20, I don't know. I was riding with Tyrone there. He said he did 100.
What's up?
Hey, I'm Paul. This is my IRO Fixie size 55. Probably a little small for me. Got the sweet color matched Nito and Sagino SG75 cranks and chainring.
Very nice.
Bike was in beautiful condition when I got it, but now it's doing okay. Maybe a little worse for wear with the chain drop. Ouch. Ouch. Got the cadence sensor, so I know what stupid things I'm doing with my 4917.
Nice. What's going on with the cockpit?
Cockpit is quill to 1 1/8 conversion with a nice stiff cheap Uno stem, 130 mil. And the flare drops. Flare is what is in.
Nice.
Gotta love a bell. What note is that?
What's the wheel set going on?
We got the Formula 32 spoke.
The gray, the very nice elusive gray.
Archetypes, H plus sun, gotta have them.
Classic, can't go wrong.
2 bolt pedals so I can jump off in a hurry.
And then we have the Euro-Asia cog.
Oh yeah, 17 tooth Euro-Asia cog. On one side. Oh, and I got the 16 tooth Dura Ace for when it's time to cook.
Look at that.
And even the color matched water bottle.
Yes.
Courtesy of YVRFIXED and Kissing Crows.
Shout out. Shout out. Awesome. All right.
Some dude's seawall bike.
Yeah,
What's going
dirty
on?
bikes. It's the way to ride. It's good. Just did 75 laps. My legs, I feel it in my hips.
Who is this?
Bone. Rode this Mash Chinelli Parallax with
Very
the
nice.
6 stickers.
All right, yeah. Start
Yeah.
talking about what's going on with the build.
Got the physics seat saddle. I'm not exactly sure what model, I forgot. Mech seat post. Chinelli clamp, seat clamp. Got the what's this called? State bicycle stem. Nitto handlebars. Some brakes. What did I have on the rims again? Oh, H plus Suns.
Yeah, H plus Sun's archetype.
Archetypes, yeah, with the what's it, Phil Woods.
The Phil Woods.
Yeah, so polish in the front, H plus Suns blacked out. Archetypes, maybe I don't even know what the
Rusty cog.
Yeah, rusty cog from the rain.
Woo!
I swapped it, switched it over to kind of clean it for the summer. We'll see what happens.
And
Omnium
omniums.
cranks. Why not? Feet straps.
Solid. And that's 48.
48 to
16 maybe.
Yeah, I don't even know what I wrote. It was a 16 or 15. Something like that. It's a great bike.
Sick. Well, there we go.
Yeah.
Thank you. Anything?
No, that's it.
Oh, shoot. Woo! Look left. Number 5. Who are you?
I am Askasa.
What's going on?
What's going on? The Vitali. It's not NJS, but it's a steel bike. Out here ripping on the steel. You know, we're not stopping, so it doesn't matter. Vitali, local Vancouver brand. This frame, it's really old. One of the prototypes, maybe from the 80s. Look,
Very
no serial number. Only a size.
Okay, what's going on with the saddle?
Saddle. This is Saltalia Super Boost Flow something SLR. Used to be on the Chinelli. Now got new saddle on there, so we're rocking it over here. A little bit of a modern update.
Very nice.
Yeah, big hole for the happy cooch. What else?
Cockpit.
Cockpit. We got the wide bars on. Usually we have the drop bars, but Fixie Friday yesterday, so we're just having fun. And you know, all we did is throw on some chill TT bars. You know, these are very comfy for me. Just in that position the whole time.
Banned from Kieran. Not NJS. All right. What's going on with this? What's the wheels?
Wheels, head, Jet 6 Black Edition, rebuilt rear to fill hub. See it right there.
I see it. We see it. Don't worry.
24 hose.
Rebuilt by
yours truly.
Shout out.
Shout out, wheel builder. Yeah. Come find me if you need wheel builds, any wheel service.
Let's fucking go. All right.
Do it.
What's here?
The original Miche Primano cranks came with the bike. Italian bottom bracket, of course, is an Italian bike. Hard to find. 135 BCD, a little unusual. Running.
Big as heck, though.
Yeah, big as. Wow. Yeah, what? No, just 50. 50.
Still, yeah.
15 in the back. Usually we run the 16 on the other side. But today, for the Crescent200, we did the 15. Got the old La Bicicletta logo on there. Yeah, got the Nitto stem, 31.8. You know, just a little bit of fun, We're pretty much in the TT bars the whole time. Did not need to use the wide bars at all, except for getting here. Just good rip.
He like checks his phone 3 hours.
Could have gone 3 boat, but too lazy to change pedals.
Like 40 missed calls.
Anything else to say?
Anything else to say? Thank you, Jeff, for throwing on the Crescent200. It's a good rip. Legs are so tired now, but go Chan out.
Okay.
Yeah.